Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is today's market update for December 17, 2020. If you look at the chart here, so today the SPY to continue to push it back up. So every day they go step by step. The market go up, they come back, retest, where they break out, and then they still hold up in the upside. So as long as the market be able to break out, they go sideways. As long as they stay into this level, now this level used to be a resistance, now become a support, and the market is still continue to shoot it higher. As a trader, we continue to stay with the trend. As long as the trend is still up, we will stick with the uptrend. A lot of people are trying to short the market because they think they are overbought for the last couple of months, but every day the market it continue to go up. So we just stick with the chart, whatever the chart tell you. Okay, we just trade what we see. And if you look at the EBD SP 500, the market has run up. But today they pull back down a little bit, and then they push it back up. So after hour they pull it back down, but no sign of damage yet. So of course on the way up they will go down, they will go up, they will go down, but overall trend is still up with no major damage yet. So the market is still uptrend. And if you are in our live trading room this morning, we know that the market they hit to the top here, and then they pull back down. So after they give you a bearish formation here, so we guide the people to take a first short to our predefined buy zone. So the market they slam it down to the buy zone at the 15-point downtrend for the year, which is $750 for the quick trade on the first hour, so that you can make some quick money for the day. So and then after that, the market it found a support at the buy zone. They bounce back up, they break out this trend line, and then they continue to the upside. So I took some trade for the day trading to get some profit at 1,342, and a lot of stock that I also do swing trade and help a member to do some win trade also. So some stock that I took some profit today, that the total net profit at 15,266. So total net profit for today is $16,600. So it's not too bad for my birthday. So it's good to catch some money. And if you look at the overall market, a lot of stock that we have been looking at before, as you can see here, the QQQ is still very strong. The technology stock is still continue to ramp up to the upside. As you can see, it's no sign of slowing down yet. And the IWM also doing very well. Okay, they continue to strong. That's why you see a lot of small cap stock. They could continue to put up to the upside. And the Dow is a little bit slower, but it still continue to push it back up to the upside. And the semiconductor also doing well, as you can see here. Okay, I'm sorry, SMH. Okay, the semiconductor they have couple days to pull back, take profit, and then people come back and push it back up again. So you can see a lot of stock in this sector like AMD. Okay, they continue to run up to the upside. KLAC right here, another one. NVDA. Okay, that's the one that we show you. And MSK. Okay, so that's another one. And a lot of technology stock is also doing extremely well, like Apple. You can see there. CSGG. Alright, that's another one there. And Zillow, you can see that continue to ramp up for the last couple of weeks and continue hit to the upside. And ZEN, okay, that also put it up to the upside. So the solar, after they run up on the day 2 days ago, so they pull back a little bit. Okay, to build some more momentum before they find a way to continue to the upside. So those stocks are the stocks that we show you during the weekly market forecast. So at this moment, the market is still very strong head to the holiday season. And usually the last 2 weeks of December, the people used to say the Christmas rally or Santa Claus rally, whatever, look like the market is trying to aim for that direction. As long as the chart is still bullish, we will stick with the uptrend. So, a lot of people get nervous because the market is all-time high, but, the all-time high doesn't mean that, they cannot go higher. So as long as the chart is still uptrend, we will stick with the uptrend and continue to go long for a lot of stock, especially technology and home builder, those kind of stuff, but they are trying to push it up to the new year also. So that's where we should focus on those sectors, and then we can make some money. All right, so that's all I have for you today, and I will see you on the weekend on the weekly market forecast for next week. And thank you very much for watching. If you would like to learn how to understand financial market, how to read the chart correctly, and please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. And again, thank you for watching, and remember, always give me a thumb up and sign up with our YouTube channel so that we can notify you every time we have a new video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the weekend. Take care.